Musk. Are there still people out there who haven't heard this name? One of the most controversial figures of the tech industry strikes again, this time challenging OpenAI, ChatGPT, and Microsoft with the announcement of planning to create his own AI platform called TruthGPT. Let's dive in. Hi guys, welcome back to NAGA channel and our Best of NAGA series, where we provide commentary on the current market situation, news and events, but also share with you updates from our platform. In this video, we'll be diving into the details of Musk's new project, why he's creating it, and what it could mean for the future of AI. But first, make sure to subscribe to our channel, like and comment on this video, and turn on the notifications so you never miss our awesome content. Elon Musk has been warning us about the dangers of AI for years now. In fact, he said AI is more dangerous than, say, mismanaged aircraft design, or production maintenance, or bad car production. Why does he believe this? Well, Musk thinks that if AI becomes smarter than humans, it could potentially make a threat to our very existence. He recently criticized Microsoft-backed OpenAI, the firm behind chatbot sensation ChatGPT, of training the AI to lie, and said OpenAI has now become a closed source for profit organization, closely allied with Microsoft, even though he himself was an original investor of OpenAI. He also accused Larry Page, co-founder of Google, of not taking AI safety seriously. Musk has announced that he plans to create a new chatbot, TruthGPT, maximum truth-seeking AI that tries to understand the nature of the universe. He said TruthGPT might be the best path for safety that would be unlikely to annihilate humans. The idea behind TruthGPT is that it will be able to sort out through the overwhelming amount of information available online and provide people with accurate and trustworthy information. With so much misinformation out there, Musk believes that this could be a game changer in terms of how we consume information. Let's see what our NAGA users think about it. Buy Sell says, was kinda obvious he would get into this topic as well. Might even be good for competition and developing this technology as long as he doesn't hide it behind a paywall. And Java7201 says, does this person know how to handle the truth?
You can't handle the truth!
Up to you to decide. So Musk's unexpected move comes after a group of artificial intelligence experts and industry executives called for a 6-month pause in developing systems more powerful than OpenAI's newly launched GPT-4, citing potential risks to society. Investors around the world watch closely as the situation develops. Musk last month registered a firm named X.AI Corp, incorporated in Nevada, according to a state filing. So while the AI race continues between the main players like OpenAI, Microsoft, and Alphabet, we could be potentially seeing X.AI Corp challenging them all. As always, I will keep you posted. In the meantime, let me know in the comments what you think about AI and its development. Remember, whatever we talk about here is not a financial advice. You should always do your own research and invest time in trading education before investing. That's all for today. See you next time.